Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics questions on different levels, I am here for the same. Today in this video, I am going to solve chapter Algebraic Expressions, class 8, publication house, Goel Brothers Prakashan, question number 1 and 2. If you guys want to see the solutions of each of the question of each of the exercises of chapters, rational numbers, exponents and square roots of the same publication house, you can go by the description box where all the links have been given. So not to waste further time, let's solve question number 1 and 2 of exercise 6.2. So in first question, we have to find the products of the following numbers by using identities. So the first part is y plus 9. So what we have to do in here, we have to find out the product of this expression by using the identities. So in our further step, y plus 9 is given twice, so we can write it as y plus 9 whole square. So what identity we would follow here? So a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So according to this identity, we will go y square plus, this is a and this is b, a square plus 2 into a would be y into b would be 9 plus b is 9 here, 9 square. So y square will come out as y square, 2 into y, 2y into 9, that is 18y, and 9 square would be 81. So the answer for first question is y square plus 18y plus 81. Let's move to the second part. So the second part is 3t plus 4p. 3t plus 4p, we have to find out the product of these expressions by using identity. So here also 3t plus 4p square. So we can write it as 3t square, which is a square, plus 2 into 3t into b, that is 4p plus 4p square. Why? Because a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it as 9t square plus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. T and p will come out as pt. We can write it this way, and 4p square will come out as 16p square, which is our answer. So let's move to the third part. So the third part is 2x square plus 3y, 2x square plus 3y. So we will write it as 2x square plus 3y whole square, which would be equal to 2x square, which is itself a. So we have to write it whole square. 2x square whole square plus 2 into 2x square into 3y plus 3y square, that is b, and this is 2ab. So it would come out as 2 into 2 4 x raised to the power 4 plus 12x square y plus 9y square, which is our answer. Why 12x square y? Because 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, x square and y. So this is our answer for third part. Let's move to solve the fourth part. So the fourth part is 3x by 2 plus 2, 3x by 2 plus 2. How we would solve it? We will write first 3x by 2 plus 2 whole square, which would be equal to 3x by 2 square, which is a square, plus 2 into 3x by 2 into 2. What here, what dots denotes here? Dot denotes multiplication. We can write multiplication sign and we can put the dot. The meaning is same. And 2 square, which is b square. So what would be come out as 9x square by 4 plus, it will get cancelled, 3 to the 6x plus 4, which is the answer of our fourth part. And what identity we have used? We have used a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In all the questions of question number first, we are using the identity a plus b whole square, which would be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we have to solve our expressions in this way only. Now come to the fifth part. So in our fifth part, 1 by 4 x square plus y, 1 by 4 x square plus y is given. So how would we solve it? 1 by 4 x square plus y whole square, that would be equal to 1 by 4 x square plus 2 into 1 by 4 x square into y plus y square. So this can be cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So our answer would become 1 by 4 square means 16, and x square into 2 would be equal to x raised to the power 4, plus here what is left? X square y by 2 plus y square. That is our answer. 1 by 16 x raised to the power 4 plus x square y by 2 plus y square. This is our answer of fifth part of question number first. Now let's move to the last part of question number first. So the last part of question number first is 2 by 7 xy square plus 4, 2 by 7 xy square plus 4. How would we get the solution of it? 2 by 7 xy square plus 4 raised to the power 2. So how would we solve it? 2 by 7 xy square whole square plus 2 into 2 by 7 xy square into 4 plus 4 square. So what can get cancelled here? We can cancel, nothing can get cancelled here. So what would be our answer? 2 by 7 whole raised to the power 2 means 4 by 49. 2 2s are 4 and 7 7s are 49. X square y raised to the power 4 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 so 4 4s are 16 by 7 x y square. We can write it like this way, plus 4 square means 16, which is our answer. 4 by 49 x square y raised to the power 4 plus 16 by 7 xy square plus 16 is our answer. So in question number 2 of exercise 6.2, we have to use the identity a minus b whole square. That would be equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So in question number first, the identity was a plus b whole square. But in question number 2, the identity is a minus b whole square. So our further step would be z minus 3 whole square. We would write it as z square, that is a square, minus 2 into z a into 3, that is b, plus 3 square, that is b square. So we have used identity a minus b whole square. So we will write it as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So following it, z square will come out as z square minus 2 into 3, 6 z plus 3 square means 9. That would be our answer. So our second part of question number 2 is, so 4a minus 6b, 4a minus 6b, we can write it as 4a minus 6b whole square. So which identity will we use here? We will use a minus b whole square. So we will write it as 4a square minus 2 into 4a into 6b plus 6b whole square. And identity what we have used, a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 4 4s are 16 a square, 2 4s are 8, 8 6 are 48 minus 48 ab plus 6 6 are 36 b square, which is our answer. Let's move to the third part of question number 2. So the third part of question number 2 is 7y square minus 2z, 7y square minus 2z. So 7y square minus 2z square, that is 7y square whole square minus 2 into 7y square into 2z plus 2z whole square. Identity we will use same, this one, a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 7 square will come out as 49y raised to the power 4 minus 2 7s are 14, 14 2s are 28 y square z plus 2 2s are 4z square, which is our answer. So answer of part third of question number 2 will be coming out as 49y raised to the power 4 minus 28y square z plus 4z square. So let's move to the fourth part of question number 2. Fourth part of question number 2 is 4 by 3x minus 3 by 4y. It's a little bit tricky, so do it carefully. So first we will write 4 by 3x square minus 2 into 4 by 3x into 3 by 4y plus 3 by 4y square. So which identity we have used here? We have used a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 4 by 3x square will be coming out as 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9 x square minus, first let's cancel what is getting cancelled here. 3 is getting cancelled with 3 and 4 is getting cancelled with 4. So what we are left with? Minus 2xy. So minus 2xy plus 3 by 4 means 9 by 16 y square, which is our answer. So the answer of fourth part is 16 by 9 x square minus 2xy plus 9 by 16 y square. So let's move to the fifth and sixth part of question number 2. So the fifth part is 1 by 6 y square minus 5, 1 by 6 y square minus 5. So we will write it as 1 by 6 y square minus 5 whole square which would be equal to 1 by 6y square whole square minus 2 into 1 by 6y square into 5 plus 5 square. So 1 by 6y square raised to the power 2 will be coming out as 1 by 36 y raised to the power 4. Here 2 ones are and 6 is getting cancelled. So our answer would be minus 5y square by 3. We can write it in this way. Plus 5 square means 25. That would be our answer. 1 by 36 y raised to the power 4 minus 5y square by 3 plus 25. So let's move to the sixth part, which is the last part of question number 2. So the sixth part is 1 by 4x square minus 16. 1 by 4x square minus 16. Our further step would be 1 by 4x square minus 16 raised to the power 2. 1 by 4x square whole square minus 2 into 1 by 4x square into 16 plus 16 square. So it would be coming out as 1 by 16 x raised to the power 4 minus, it will get cancelled, 2 ones are and 2 twos are. So what we are left with, 2 ones are and 2 eights are 16. So minus 8x square plus 16 whole square means 256. So answer of sixth part, 1 by 16 x raised to the power 4 minus 8x square plus 256. So here in this video we have covered question number 1 and question number 2 by using identities a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Chapter Algebraic Expressions, Class 8, Publication House, Goel Brothers Prakashan. If you guys like my video or if it is somewhere helpful to you, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And still, if you are having any problem with any of the questions, you can ask your doubts by commenting into the comment box. Thank you so much.